elements to what your question is a very deep question, you know? And for me, time is one of the main healing factors, you know?
All right.
I feel like a waiter.
觉得这样讲好像我是那个服务生，为大家献上月饼。
You gotta try that with the serving.
Well, it's for anybody. I think it's just there's many elements to what your question is a very deep question, you know. And for me, time is one of the main healing factors, you know. I also with this album and the tour, I've found that for me, having a sense of like, I'm not a blank slate, but like taking a lot of the things that I felt like were attached to me, that were things that I do or systems and repetition that have been going on in my head. Kind of taking those and putting them aside has helped too. So to say like, well, to talk about, you know, the show, for example. Well, we usually play. I'm so for 20 years I was used to playing with 6 guys, and we would play very similar sets every night, and we would do this and this and this and this before the show. So for me to say, okay, I'm not doing anything like that. I'm going to start with a show completely by myself, with almost no production, and just see what it feels like, and then see what happens if I add one thing back, or add a new thing that I've never done, and just to almost like experiment and reinvent and try new things and learn. That helps. And also to feel like when things are difficult for us, like sometimes one of the things that make things feel difficult is that we don't feel like we're in control, and that can be really that's like I think it's one of the most stressful human emotions. You know, if something's bad happening to you or around you, and you don't feel like you have any control, that's one of the worst feelings. From getting in a car accident to, you know, having a problem at your job or having a problem in your relationships, like all of those things are feeling like you wish you could have things a different way and you can't.